Hi everyone, it's Fjordström. Are you by any chance also disappointed that you don't have the iPhone 14 Pro yet today? Well, me too. So let's comfort each other in the comment section below. But what I do have is the iPhone 14 Pro silicone case Storm Blue. So this video is just going to be an unboxing of this, having a look at this, comparing it to my current iPhone 11's case, just to have an idea of how the iPhone 14 Pro will feel like. I know it's maybe a bit ridiculous, but it is cool to see, especially if you don't have the phone yet, so I hope you understand how I feel. Now, of course, once I do have the phone, I will be reviewing this one more time and to see how it looks exactly with the case on. Let's go. Okay, now just like I mentioned, this here is the Storm Blue color, which we'll discover in a second, but they have many more colors to choose from. Of course, they also have the leather cases, which look beautiful as well, but I went now with the silicone case, as I really love this color. Okay, now I must admit that I honestly already opened this before, just to check the color very quickly, but I didn't take it out yet, so that's why the tag is off already. Now, let's just have a look, and this here is how it looks in real life. I really like it, and the Apple logo is darker. And on the inside, we have a soft texture here, which also shows here the MagSafe ring. Now, good to know is that the bottom over here is mostly covered. Unlike on the iPhone 11, the silicone cases were like kind of open. So you could feel the metal, you could feel your screen protector if you had one on, while here it will be covered, which is good. I think personally this will be more comfortable to hold in the hand. Now on the other side over here, we have these buttons. They're also silicone, so they aren't metal or something. They are entirely silicone over here, and the cutout for the mute switch. On top we have nothing, and over here we again have the power button, and again silicone covered. Now, good to know also, especially if you're coming from an older iPhone like me, from iPhone 11, there is a bump, of course, to protect the camera. So there's a thing sticking out here in hard plastic, so this here is hard. Again, if you compare it to the iPhone 11, you will notice that the iPhone 11 didn't have a bump. It just made everything flush, everything flat, so you could lay your iPhone flat on a table. In this case, the iPhone 14 Pro won't be flat and will actually rock on a table. But again, we'll have to see how it will be with the phone in it. Now, I already mentioned MagSafe earlier. It's because this case is MagSafe compatible. Of course, it's a compatible iPhone. These things will also work with this case. It magnetic attaches, it gets aligned correctly. And good news is that it does fit with the camera bump. So the camera bump is just slightly, let me just zoom in. Look over here, the camera bump, there's just a little bit of space in between the camera bump and the MagSafe battery pack. So that's very good news, just in case you have a MagSafe battery pack, it will still work over here with this MagSafe case. Now let's try it out with a MagSafe charger. So just place it on here and it immediately attaches again, of course, to the case. Personally, I'm really glad that this works. I mean, that I can finally use MagSafe accessories, and I'm really excited to use them very soon. If you already have MagSafe on your current iPhone, let me know, do you use this MagSafe charger more, or do you still use your plug-in charger? I'm really interested to know how you charge your iPhone. Again, for me, everything is new, but I'm really excited. I really hope that I can get my iPhone 14 Pro very soon. Anyway, once my iPhone 14 Pro comes in, I'll definitely make a video with the case on, an unboxing video, camera comparison review. I have so many things to review. I'm so excited. I hope to see you very soon. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.